Hi everyone, on Windows 10, the hard drive will eventually start experiencing errors and other problems, whether it is a traditional mechanical hard drive, HDD, or solid-state drive, SSD, and the issues will always vary. For instance, Windows the 10th of May stop recognizing the drive. You may notice strange behaviors like a particular app locking up. You may encounter problems upgrading to a new version of Windows and other issues. Whatever the problem might be, even if you are not sure it is a hard drive related issue, you can use the built-in chkdsk tool to resolve many common problems. Chkdsk is a tool that has been around for years, and its basic purpose is to scan the integrity of the file system on a partition and repair any logical errors. The tool can also scan and fix bad sectors if data did not write correctly or there is a physical problem with the drive. In this video, you will learn the steps to check and repair hard drive errors using the Windows 10 with control panel. Use these steps. First, open this PC. Under the Devices and Drives section, right-click the hard drive you want to check and repair and select the Properties option. Next, click on the Tools tab. Under the Error Checking section, click the Check button. Next, click the Scan Drive option. If the utility did not find any errors, click the Close button. But if some of the errors could not be repaired, you will be prompted to schedule another scan during the next restart. Once you complete the steps, the device's hard drive should continue to work without problems. If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.